In this video, we will learn how to grab the data from particular data. You can see here there is some name of the person with the amount is mentioned. I want to grab this amount from this data. Okay, so let's see how it's done. First, click on the Control plus G. We can use the Go to. Click on the special. Click on the constant. You can untick those data you do not grab it from this data. I just tick these numbers. Click on OK. Now click the Control plus C and paste here. That's it. You can easily grab the data from particular data. Hope you would understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.